and unfortunately they apply oil every day and next day they apply shampoo also at the time of bath. So excessive use of shampoo is one of the most common reason for dry scalp. Hello, I am Dr. Vinay Koparkar, founder Papillon Hair World. I am a medical practitioner practicing medicine for more than 30 years. I have treated more than 10,000 patients with hair problems. I do get either hair loss problems or dandruff problems very common. Whenever the problem of dandruff comes, majority times people feel that it is a chronic problem and I am not going to get rid of this dandruff. Just remember, we have to understand the causes of the dandruff first, so that automatically you will realize that dandruff is not the chronic condition. What is dandruff? Dandruff is nothing but the dry white flakes which when we comb fall on our shoulders or on our clothes. So it is a non-inflammatory condition of the scalp giving rise to excessive dryness of the scalp, and ultimately it forms the white flakes which comes on our clothes or shoulders. If you ask me, 90% of the cases the dry scalp leads to dandruff, and only 10% of the cases there is a greasy scalp which gets infected by the fungus called as Malassezia, and you get something called as seborrheic dermatitis. Now, so we must consider the causes which gives the dry dandruff, and I can say what are those. Number one, excessive use of shampoo. Mainly men's has got a habit of doing shampoo every day, and unfortunately they apply oil every day and next day they apply shampoo also at the time of bath. So excessive use of shampoo is one of the most common reason for dry scalp. Another, wrong use of shampoo. If you have got a normal hair or a dry hair, and if you go on using the shampoos which are meant for oily hair, for example head and shoulder shampoo or any herbal shampoo, then you are going to land into the condition called as excessive dryness of the scalp. Third, frequent wash with the shampoos. So if you wash your hair, mainly this happens in females, if they wash their hair every day with some amount of a shampoo, they also get excessive dryness to the scalp giving rise to dandruff. Most common experience, my experience, is excessive use of oil mainly to the hair strands. Remember, if any female is applying oil to the hair strands and not to the scalp, and all male who apply oil after the bath always land into the problem of dandruff. Why? Because when you apply excessive oil, you have to use more quantity and harsher shampoo next day, and you then land into bad vicious chain of application of oil, making that hair dry when you use a shampoo, and ultimately in this the effect is excessive dryness of the scalp giving rise to dandruff. Some other reasons for dandruff are poor diet. Mainly when you do any fancy diets or when there is a deficiency of protein intake into the diet, you can get dandruff. Another commonest example is excessive sun exposure. If at all you are traveling 40-50 kilometers a day and you are not wearing a cap or a helmet, there is a chance that you may get a dandruff. Any chronic illness, when the patient is on a bed for more than 2 months, and if he don't clean his hair every now and then there is a very high chance that you will get the dandruff. Another most important reason is stress. Stress can give rise to unhygienic condition of the hair giving rise to dandruff. And the last one, not to forget, is because of excessive oil application, the fungus grow onto the scalp called as Malassezia, and you get something called as a oily dandruff, which is also occasionally called by many people as seborrheic dermatitis. So these are the reasons of, rather you can say these are the causes of dandruff. If you have got any questions related with dandruff, you can ask and you can list it below, And if you like this video, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you. I am Dr. Vinay Koparkar from Papillon Hair World.